Hi, this is Scott with PowerPointVectors.com. Again, that's PowerPointVectors.com. And today I'm going to show you the difference between vector EPS versus a PowerPoint native vector. So let's say you have a JPEG that you've imported from another place. And I'm just going to show you how it's going to look if you drag in an EPS file. So I'm running Office 2011 on the Mac. That's the newest version available. So here I'm dragging in an EPS file of a dancer. You can see it's dancer EPS. Wow, it looks great, right? It's got transparent background. You can resize it, and it's still very sharp, as you can see, right? Super sharp. It's great, but the only problem is you can't really do anything with it with color. So if you change the color, it just changes the background. You can't say change the color of the shirt or change the line. If you change the line, it's just going to change the line of the outline of the image. Let's do a real thick outline so you can see how it looks. See that? So I changed the line, but it's really just changing the line outside. It's not changing anything of the image itself, right? So I mean that's the problem with just dragging in an EPS or a PDF or any of those vector imports. So it's got great transparency, right? You can resize it and everything, but that's about it. You can't really do anything else. Well, I'm going to show you what a native PowerPoint image looks like. So let's take that out. Put this one here. Okay, so the difference is that it's the same thing, right? It's really sharp again, and it's got transparent background. But the difference is you can ungroup it, right? I'm going to ungroup it right now. Ungroup. And now I can change the color of each individual object. I'm going to change that to white or red. I'm going to change the shirt to red. I'm going to change his jeans to yellow. And I can detach it. See that? So, I can move his arms around. I can move his hat, rotate it. You can do rotate the shoes. So, I mean, there's a lot more. You can make it transparent and give it an outline instead. So there's a huge number of additional flexible stuff that you can do. Make it dashed. That's pretty amazing, right? When you compare it to the previous version. I mean, the previous version, it's got really nice transparency and all, but look at this. I mean, I can do anything I want with this. And I can take out his arms, his body. I can put gradients, make it a gradient. See that? There's the gradient. Make it maybe blue. So, I mean, there's just so much more. And then you can even edit the outline itself. Control, edit points. Now you can edit his arm, dragging any of these points anywhere. Right? So that's the difference. Right there, you can see the big difference between a regular EPS vector file that you drag in versus one that's drawn inside PowerPoint that you can edit, that you can change the colors of each individual part. I mean, just a lot more flexibility, as you can see. Uh, just playing around with it, it's a lot more fun too. So that's the huge difference between the two. And then you can group them back up. And I can move the whole thing by itself. You can resize it. Again, I mean, you're getting all the details. It's super sharp. Compare that to the background image, right? You can combine this with other images as well. You can stretch. Let's try stretching. So that's it. So this is PowerPointVectors.com. Thank you very much.